Campos, and tonight I'm going to be guiding an experience on embodying your genius. So tonight we may be exploring also, ways that you can align with your soul purpose, ways that you can trust your intuition, ways that you can feel more in connection with your deepest desires, which are always connected to your greatest gifts. Challenge yourself, even just a few minutes a day. You can set a timer that reminds you to stop for at least 1 minute throughout your day and close your eyes, put your hand maybe on your heart, take a deep breath and ask yourself, what is it that I need right now to feel my best? What is it that I need right now to feel supported? What would be beautiful to receive? How can I play? What would be fun? And really listen, because you will receive a message. And that message that you receive is always guiding you to live in alignment with your purpose.